Hello, I'm Adriane Mayes, founder of Being the Change LLC. At Being the Change, we show people how to use acts of kindness in business and life. We leverage AI tools to create digital real estate and community wealth with a clear mission: empower, model, innovate, and prosper. Though we're based in Detroit, Michigan, our impact reaches a global scale. Our unique approach merges AI with community building, offering financial education, health and wellness, travel experiences, and AI marketing education. Why should Comcast NBCUniversal partner with us? Because our AI-driven solutions provide unparalleled data analysis and insights. We offer automated communication, lead management, predictive analytics, content personalization, performance monitoring, and virtual community building. AI helps us understand community needs, automate responses, predict market trends, and create engaging virtual events. Partnering with Being the Change means investing in a future where acts of kindness and innovation foster hope and success. Our dedicated team, with expertise in digital creation, engineering, finance, and project coordination, is here to drive these initiatives. Join us at Being the Change, and let's make a difference together. Being the change because we care. I can, I will, I must. Let's go.